students, welcome to my YouTube channel. I have been taking revision of entire JEE Advanced syllabus and this is question number 38. I have covered 37 problems of calculus in previous videos and I have completed complex numbers and revision of conic section 2. So you can watch the videos. So question number 38 is, let fx be a positive function defined on closed interval 0 to pi satisfying 0 to pi sin x plus cos x into fx dx whole cube equal to pi times 0 to pi upon 2 f square x dx. Then evaluate integral 0 to pi 3 f cube x dx. So this question is based on the concept of Cauchy-Schwarz inequality. What is Cauchy-Schwarz inequality? So this inequality is integral a to b fx into gx dx whole square, and both function fx and gx should be positive, and this is less than equal to integral a to b f square x dx integral a to b g square x dx. So there are many proofs to this inequality. So I will not discuss the proof of this inequality. I will discuss only the question. So we will use this inequality, and here we get 0 to pi sin x plus cos x into fx dx whole square. So now we get integral 0 to pi sin x plus cos x times fx dx whole square, and this is less than equal to 0 to pi sin x plus cos x whole square dx into 0 to pi f square x dx. Yeah. So here we get, if you simplify this integral sin x plus cos x whole square, so we get sin square x plus cos square x 1 plus sin 2x dx, and if you simplify this integral 0 to pi 1 plus sin 2x dx and integral 0 to pi f square x dx. So the value of this integral is pi. So here we get, this is less than equal to pi times 0 to pi f square x dx, whereas this integral is equal to pi times 0 to pi f square x dx. So now here equality holds. So equality holds means fx equal to gx. So here we get fx equal to gx and fx equal to gx, because if you write a to b fx into gx dx whole square, this is 0 a to b f square x dx integral a to b g square x dx. So equality holds when f of x equal to gx. So let us say that here we get function fx, function, both the functions are proportional also. So now we get f of x equal to lambda times sin x plus cos x. But given that f of 0 equal to 1, this implies that lambda equal to 1, and here we get f of x equal to only sin x plus cos x. So what is integral 0 to pi 3 times f cube x dx? So 3 times 0 to pi, and this is sin x plus cos x whole cube x dx, 0 to pi. So now we have to simplify this part, and we get 3 times 0 to pi sin cube x plus cos cube x dx plus 0 to pi 3 sin square x dx plus 0 to pi 3 cos square x dx. So here sin square x into cos x dx, sin square x into cos of x dx plus 0 to pi 3 cos square x into sin x dx. Now we have sin cube x plus cos cube x, so we have to use the property 3 times 0 to pi upon 2 fx plus f of pi minus x. So sin cube x plus cos cube x plus sin cube pi minus x is sin cube x, but cos cube pi minus x is minus cos cube x. So 2 times sin cube x dx. So now this problem is very simple. So if you simplify all the values, if you find all the values, so this will be 10. So we can solve this integral by using substitution method, and so integrating all the functions we are getting 10. So the value of integral 0 to pi f cube x 3 f cube x dx equal to 10. Thank you so much for watching.